now cow. Okay. I want a new car. No. I don't have enough money for a new car. Let's get in the car. Get away from me! What? How did you climb through the window? I like to do that sometimes. Put your seatbelt on. You don't have yours on. Yes, I do. Oh. You need to sit down. Look at this car! Oh, I really want it. I can't get it. I buy you it. No, you don't have money. It's your birthday suit tomorrow. I know, but I don't have enough money still. Okay, we'll just go shopping then. Look at the new hat I got, sister. Ah! Where's sister? Out, girl! Where are you? Yeah, Grace, where are you? I'm here! What is doing? What happened? I lost you. No, you lost me. That's what I said. Ah! Sister, let's play a game. It's time to go to bed now. Oh. I go get my pajamas on. It's sister's birthday! Ah! That didn't wake her up. Sister, what are you doing? It's your birthday and cousin got you a present. It's outside. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. The car you wanted. Yes! I want to jump on you. Oh, wait. What? What? Oh, if you haven't to everyone. The other one. Ah! Oh, it worked. I want to try the light. The light. I got to on. Ooh, now I want to look at the back. Oh my god, there's no back. Wait. Again dance floor on a pool. I want to go in the pool. Dance party. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. I want to go driving in it.